everyone, my name is Leanne and I'm coming to you from the National Weather Service in Missoula. I will be discussing the next several days worth of weather and any associated impacts during this planning briefing. So here's our summary. Very quickly, as of the time of this recording, we are still waiting for the Canadian cold front to cross over the Continental Divide into western Montana and then further into north central Idaho later this evening through tomorrow morning, which is Monday morning. And if you happen to watch this before the front actually crosses the area, it has slowed down by about 2 to 3 hours. So we're still expecting it to mainly impact western Montana through this evening into the overnight hours, and then further south and to the west into Idaho through Monday morning. It'll bring about widespread rainfall to most locations below 4,000 feet and a rain-snow mix around 4,000 feet and all snow above that. So very light accumulations, but still possible to impact those higher elevations, including mountain pass roadways and backcountry areas. Then we kind of have an unseasonably cool northerly flow that exists basically through middle of the week, Tuesday through Thursday. And then by Thursday night, we get another cold front that looks very similar to the one that's crossing today into Monday. So, it's bringing down cold Canadian air out of Alberta, crossing westward over the Continental Divide, and then seeping into north central Idaho through the day Friday. So, not a lot of moisture, but still a threat for higher terrain snowfall and low elevation rainfall. And then models do agree on high pressure for the weekend, so we should clear out and start to rebound back into seasonable temperatures and much drier conditions. So here's a look at the current satellite as of 11:09 a.m. Sunday, and you can see the bright blues over here just kind of draped around western Canada down into eastern Montana. That's the cold front that's going to be moving westward with time and crossing over the Continental Divide and dragging all that cooler air down with it and dropping snow levels. So that's our weather maker currently. And one of the things it's really going to do, hold please, is drop temperatures quite a bit. So I'm showing today's high temperature, Sunday, as a stark contrast to what we're expecting on Monday, and then again on Tuesday, very similar readings. We're going to see highs basically in valley locations not really reaching the 50-degree mark in western Montana and barely reaching the 55 to 60-degree mark over in north central Idaho. So very cool air mass over the region, especially even for spring in the Northern Rockies, but almost a 20 to 25 degree temperature drop. And that, above all, will be the most noticeable thing we'll have happen from this cold front itself. We're going to have a pretty significant wind shift. Today, Sunday, we're seeing southwest, west winds, but it's going to turn more northerly with time. And I will actually get into that northerly flow period from Tuesday to Thursday as we go forward. But I just wanted to show kind of what we're expecting going into the early half of this coming week. Cool, very cool high temperatures. And then on the flip side, here's low temperatures. Just for an example, they're going to be very similar Monday night, Tuesday night. Very cold. Obviously a hard freeze. Any budding trees or sensitive plants will feel the effects of this, especially this early in the spring, with things just starting to bud. But we will improve from this as we go forward. And there are some slightly above freezing temperatures in north central Idaho. So here is an animation showing the forecast trend basically Monday through the weekend. So you see that cooler air mass and lower pressures move off to the east, and then Montana kind of remains in northerly flow with that cold front that's expected Thursday into Friday, and then we get into high pressure. So here's Tuesday evening, we get into Wednesday, the cold front coming down out of Canada right there. Shifts off to the east by Saturday, Sunday, high pressure dominates. And then, once we get out there, it does show another trough off the coast, but I can't really speak to that with any real confidence just yet since it's so far out there. But feel free to pause the recording and or at least mute my voice so you can watch the animation at your pace. But that is the trend that we're expecting through the week. And then here's looking at April 23rd through April 27th, kind of the 6 to 10 day range. You can see that it is showing that high pressure dryness moving to the east of our neck of the woods here, Northern Rockies, but it starts to bring in more moisture off the coast with that oncoming trough after next weekend. And we still stay pretty mild, or at least equal chances of being seasonable temperatures. So not bad, really not that bad. So how do we boil down for threats? For Monday, we're still expecting that cold front to bring snow to the mountain passes just about everywhere in our area, with gusty winds persisting through at least Monday morning. Things should really quiet down by Monday early afternoon as far as winds go. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, that cool northerly flow pattern, and then we have another shot at some snow over the passes Thursday night into Friday with the next cold front. So nothing too alarming, but just your typical, unsettled, fickle spring weather. And that is it. We will see you on the next briefing. Thank you for joining us.